Need an automatic contents page in Microsoft Word? Rather than typing it out manually, Word can create and maintain it for you in just a couple of clicks. Let me show you how. The first thing Word needs to know is what your headings are. Select a main heading, then on the Home tab, choose Heading 1. For subheadings, use Heading 2, and if you need another level, Heading 3. Once you've applied your heading styles, place your cursor where you want the contents page, normally after the title page. Open the References tab, choose Table of Contents, then select one of the automatic options. Now, if I add another heading to the document, you'll notice that it doesn't appear straight away. Simply right-click anywhere in the table, choose Update Field, and then Update Entire Table, and Word refreshes everything for you, including the page numbers. And that's it. As long as you use Word's heading styles, your contents page will stay accurate with just a single click. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more top tech tips. Bye-bye.